We'll guide you through how to compare Gemini versus ChatGPT, focusing on their features and usability. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official websites for both Gemini and ChatGPT. Start with ChatGPT by visiting OpenAI's official site. Here, you'll find information about its capabilities, such as conversational AI, creative writing, and coding assistance. You can also explore the various subscription tiers, which offer different levels of access to features. Next, go over to Gemini's site, where you can learn about its unique features, such as enhanced security and privacy options, and integration with different platforms. Pay attention to their interface designs, as Gemini often emphasizes user-friendly layouts with customizable options, while ChatGPT focuses on powerful AI-driven interactions. Compare their pricing models. ChatGPT may offer more flexible terms, whereas Gemini might have a more straightforward pricing plan. Check out user reviews and testimonials, which can provide insights into each platform's strengths and weaknesses from real-world users. Consider the level of customer support offered by each service, as this can be crucial if you encounter any issues. While exploring both platforms, make a list of what aspects are most important to you, like ease of use, feature set, or cost efficiency. By evaluating these factors, you'll be better equipped to decide which platform aligns more closely with your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.